morning everyone, this is Tony from Shanghai Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to centering the solution with the elegant tools. Okay, first we have to prepare the material for this process. The first one is the Allen key M8. Okay, the second is the elegant tools, and these tools we will send with our machine. And this one is a big station. Okay, this is elegant tools. And steel tubes for losing the screws on the current. It will be very easy for us to do that. Okay, let's go. First step, we put the tools on the station, and at the very beginning we put the die to the station. Okay. 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 And next we put the punch on the station. Okay. As we can see that now the punch and die is like that. And we rotate the punch down, and we press the die into the station, insert to the station, slowly until we cannot find the pin. Okay, finish. And now we lift the punch and turn it. Okay. And next we move this station under the punch head. Okay. We press T plus. Okay. And very important, the next is very important process step is current pin insert. Okay, every time we have to do this when we do the element tools, using the element tools to center in the station. Okay, press here. Okay, the pin is in. Now we turn the punch to the right station of the die. Okay. Okay, we can see there. Okay, it's not inside. Okay. Now the punch insert the die. So now we check several times. Okay, the punch can enter the die very smooth. That means the centering of this station is very good. And now we lift it up and turn it, rotate. Okay, we see from the bottom the punch is not insert the die, and we let it come back. T. Okay, so if the station like what we did just now, the punch can insert the die very smoothly and can enter the die 100%. That means this station is centering of this station is very good. So we can do the same step to the next. But if we find that the punch cannot insert the die 100% smooth, so we have to do the adjustment. And now I will show you how to do the adjustment. Okay, so when using the Allen key and the steel tube, here in the bottom there is 4 screws. Here you can see this 4. When you lose the screw, please push it little by little, not to directly lose it. Do like this. Okay, now we loosed all these 4 screws, and we don't have to loose it 100%, maybe 80% or 70% enough to make sure that this there is a stress inside. Okay. The next step, remove the station under the punch head. Okay. Okay. Very important. Current pin insert. Okay. And we do the same process which we did in the very beginning. We turn the punch and let the punch insert the die, and we check it. Okay, inside, and we check it several times to make sure the punch can 100% insert the die and very smoothly. Okay, that means the centering is very good now, and we lift up the punch and turn it. Okay, and turn pin out and move it out to the tools changing position. We let it come back. Okay. Okay. Now we use the Allen key to tight the screws, and it's better for you to using one hand press the die and another hand to tight the screw. And the point of this process is when we tight the screw, we tight this one first and this one first, second, and after these 2 screws. Okay, now I'll show you. First this one. Okay, we tighten it. We just give this screw a little bit stress, not 100% tight, because we have to check again. Okay, and this one. Okay, we press the die. Okay, and this one. Very smoothly, very slow, very slow. Okay, and the last one. The purpose we press the die when we tied the screw is to avoid the moving of the die of the station when we tie the screws. Okay, to give a little bit stress on this one. Okay, and next we move the station to the pond head, to enter the pond head again. Okay. Okay, very important. Current pin insert. Okay, now we check. We do the same process. Okay, we check again. It's very smooth and 100% insert. The station is good. Okay, we left it up and move it. Current pin out and move it back to the changing position. Okay. Now we can 100% to tighten or tight all of the screws. %100% tight. Okay. Okay. Okay, the 4 screws, all of those 4 screws I tighten up. So the last step we check again, and we move the station to the to under the punch head again. Okay, and very important, the turret pin insert. Okay, we do the same process. Okay, 100% insert. Okay, we can confirm that the centering of this station is very good. Okay, we left it up and insert current pin out, and we move it back. We move it to the back to the tools changing position. Okay, so now the tools centering process is complete, and we can do the same process to other stations to centering the station. Okay.